This short video will show you how to add fractions using a rectangle model. Let's take the fractions 1/3 plus 1/2. I'm going to make 4 rectangles to show this model. The first rectangle is going to represent 1/3. The second rectangle is going to represent 1/2. So I'm going to shade in 1/3 in my first rectangle. And then going the other direction horizontally, I'm going to shade in 1/2, 1 out of 2 parts. Alright, now I'm going to go down to my next rectangles and I'm going to create the same fractional image. Okay, so I've got 1/3. I know this seems redundant, but you'll see the magic in just a moment. I'm coming over here, 1/2. Alright, and we talked about this today, boys and girls. This is where the magic happens. We're going to take the line from this rectangle and we're going to move it over here. So we're going to draw that one line going straight across. And now I can see that I have 2/6 shaded in this model. I have made an equivalent fraction. 2/6 is equivalent to my 1/3. Alright, I'm coming back over here. I'm going to take the lines from this rectangle and transfer them on top of this one. Now these lines have to go vertical, so I need my 2 lines going vertically. And I can see now that I have 3/6. So now I have made equivalent fractions. 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. I've got 2/6 plus 3/6 gives me a total of 5/6. And there's my answer. Alright, let's try another one. This time we have 2/3 plus 3/4. So my first rectangle is going to represent 2/3. My second ones will represent my 3/4. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go vertically and shade in 2 out of 3 parts. So if I need 3 parts, I need to draw 2 lines. And I'm gonna shade this in red. I'll be different. Let's shade this one in red. There's my 2/3. Alright, I'm moving over to my other rectangle, and this one going horizontally or side to side or across will be 3 out of 4. So if I need 4 spaces, I need to draw 3 lines. There's 1, 2, 3. And I want to shade in 3 out of 4. So there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Alright, again, repeat this on the bottom rectangles. So I do my 2 out of 3 equal parts are shaded in. There's 1 part, 2 parts, and I do the same thing over here with my 3 out of 4. And do the best you can to make equal parts. They're not going to be perfect. And I'm going to shade in 3 out of 4 equal parts. Alright, here we go. Here's the magic. This is where we're going to move our lines. I'm going to move the lines from this box over to this box. So I'm moving those horizontal lines. So I need to move those 3 lines. Alright, and now you can see that I have created this equivalent fraction. I've got 2/3 is equivalent to this fraction here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 12. 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. I come over here to my other ones. All right, here's our magic. I transfer these lines over to here. So I need to transfer those two lines. And again, I can see that my denominator is 12 because I've got 12 total squares. And how many are shaded in? I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. I've got 9 out of 12. So this shows me that 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12. Now I've got 8/12 plus 9/12 gives me a total of 17/12. Or if you want to put that into a mixed number, this answer would be one group of 12 and there are 5/12 left over.